afternoon and welcome. I'm Craig Lewis, the Pratt Homes representative here at the Royal Golf Club. Those of you that have followed Pratt over the years know we have a wonderful tradition of hosting private previews of many of our customers' homes just before they move in. With the new world with the coronavirus, obviously we cannot do public open houses at this time. And so, welcome to our first virtual private home preview. Step inside and we'll get started. Pratt Homes has been building homes for 47 years. We are a custom home builder. And this home today is just a classic example of what we can do to customize. So as I walk you around the house, I will explain what they've done here. This is a St. Olaf plan. You might have noticed even before you got inside, very new, hot trend in design, black clad windows. Very elegant look with the white. As you step in the door, the first thing you will see to the left is the study. Come on in. This is the largest office we have in all of our floor plans. Again, a great example of how they've customized. We have a beautiful built-in wall unit. Over here, a much more contemporary set of open shelving. Plaques, pictures, whatever you choose to use. Here's where the customizing starts. The standard St. Olaf has double pocket doors here that open into a private working study. They felt this office was big enough, so what happens to the study? I'll come back to that in a minute. As we come into the foyer, the first thing you'll notice is a box vault with crown molding over the foyer. Very elegant. This one you'll see as soon as we go further in, more of a more contemporary transitional feel. As you come into the great room, this is what I call the wow effect. We have 11 floor plans that are walkouts or lookouts. They all have a vaulted ceiling. This is a classic example of what we can do to customize. A more contemporary box vault, again with the crown molding, light, elegant, spacious, very inviting. You'll notice throughout the upper level here, 6.5-inch walnut or oak plank flooring. Elegant, but a warm, inviting feel to it. Fireplace, again getting a little bit more transitional, less built-in cabinetry than many of our homes have, but again, a very classic. The volume of the fireplace is just perfectly balanced to the room. As you look into the kitchen, beautiful. This house has been enlarged about a little over 100 feet on the main floor square footage. We eliminated from the standard St. Olaf as an angled half wall separate in the great room. That's been removed. They are serious entertainers. They wanted big, they wanted it open. They also did not want anything on the center island, so we customized the kitchen to get them a beautiful outdoor window over the sink, let a more natural light in. Beautiful cabinetry, vintage Pratt wood hood, very elegant. Lots of cabinet space. as we transition to the family dining area, another unique feature. Because they added width to this room, a very, very interesting drawer. This is an Anderson. It's called a French. It's a French door. Magnificent. 12 feet total in width. To take full advantage of the natural setting here. 6-foot wide opening out to the screen porch. Trex deck. This home will also be equipped with our amazing easy screens. The factory, unfortunately, was shut down with the COVID crisis, so they're going to be here in a couple of weeks. But each one of these segments will have a series of plexiglass panels that will slide up and down. You can totally enclose it. It extends your season, keeps the dirt off of your patio furniture. And then they continue out to a grill deck. The view speaks for itself. The frogs speak for themselves. It's just an amazing natural setting. And here at the Royal Club, minutes from all the modern conveniences. Let's go back inside. Remember I talked about the study where we went into a private working area. Let me show how they've repurposed that space. Motion activated light. I'll back out so you can see it. Another hot trend in design, a Butler's Pantry. For the serious entertainer, complete with granite countertop, cabinetry, sink, microwave. Big party, you entertain a big group, you take everything, you prepare it back here, you bring everything back here, then you mess to clear out the kitchen while you're entertaining, close the door. Here we have the powder room, spacious, roomy, but also private. It's off of the main public areas for privacy. Continuing down the back hall, we have the laundry room to the right. Again, spacious, big window for natural light, cabinetry. Very inviting workspace. Across the way here we have what we call a drop zone cabinet. You walk in from the garage, keys, phones, cell phones, briefcase. You have a place to drop it without putting it on the floor. Everyday back hall type of utility storage and some shelves. Everything has its place. From here we go into the garage. Large triple garage. Notice the garage doors. We now have standard 8-foot high garage doors. The SUVs are getting bigger. The trucks are getting bigger. And we want them to have their own. This home, they've put a drain and a heater for the garage. Plus lots of storage. Now let's go take a look at the master bedroom suite. Here we have a transition into the master bedroom. So you're not walking right in from the public areas. Transom windows over the doors. Again, a beautiful box vault with crown molding. This wing was expanded also. This bedroom's a little bit larger than what would be standard. As we go into the master bathroom, beautifully done. Notice the attention to detail. The window or the mirror has been framed, raised panel. Again, the crown molding, very elegant, but still warm and inviting. Large walk-in shower. As we like them, no shower door, no shower curtain. Beautifully done. As we come into the master closet, the largest master closet in any of our plans. With the bonus, we have a large window, again, natural light, fresh air, and still lots of storage space. Now let's go downstairs and see more entertaining area. You notice that often a mix of the dark stain with the enameling, just a very beautiful, classic transitional look here. Large family entertaining area, significant entertainment area. Wall unit with the bar, reclaimed plank wood there. Complete with bar fridge, granite countertop, ideal for entertaining. Leading onto the patio. Great spot to sit at sunset. Looks out over the golf course in the distance. Ponds, woods. They will have a very large TV mounted on the wall here. From there we come into the billiard room. Again, a very distinctive piece here, more reclaimed plank and sawn barnwood. Another destination room, if you will. While we're here, we'll take a quick peek in the furnace room. More storage down here. High efficiency furnace, dual zone heat, air exchanger, high efficiency hot water heater, water softener, all state of the art. All of our homes now have passive radon system, radon mitigation system, sump and drain tile systems. As we transition back here, another highly customized area. They have they want overnight guests to feel comfortable, to have their privacy. We typically have a 3/4 bath downstairs to be shared with public visitors. Here they have a public party room when you're entertaining a party for the night, a beautiful, fun, half bath here, well done. From there we go, we have 2 bedrooms with the Jack and Jill bathroom. Overnight guests will have their privacy, their own bathroom. People over for the evening for a party are not using that bathroom. This is totally private to them. Again, attention to detail, framed mirrors, beautiful tile selections. Let's go back upstairs and we'll take one more look. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. A beautiful home. We're proud to be a part of this. They're excited to move in, and they're looking forward to a great lifestyle here at the Thanks for